Hi everyone, it's Annette here and welcome to my channel. I'm still playing around with my 2-year-old pouring medium mixers and bloom mixers, but I had my grandchildren here and they had a paint session in the shed and it's all got mixed up. But anyway, I've chosen some similar colours and they should go okay together regardless, and I decided to give them a go. Okie dokie, so I'm just using this little small round, and I have my 2-year-old pillow paint, and I've readjusted all my consistencies to make sure they were all similar. As I'm not sure if these are pouring paints or bloom recipes, I've made the trace a little bit I don't know, runnier, I guess. It's around 2 to 3 second trace. And my CA, which you just saw then, that's around a 1-ish. Anyway, we'll give it a go and see how it goes. It might turn out poopy. Who knows? Alright, so pillow paint going down. I've just got this, I think it's a 12 centimetre round canvas that I've scraped a few times. And I'm putting on probably way too much. When you spin, and I do eventually spin this, you don't need that much because it'll spin out to the edges anyway. And it's just white interior house paint. This one here, this silver black, I'm pretty sure this is a pouring medium. I don't think it's a bloom recipe one because I only mixed up a black in that, but I thought if I mix them up, even though I'm not sure, we'll see how we go. So this one I am sure is a bloom recipe mix. It's got a shimmer in it. The orange, I am totally not sure. I can't recall whether it was part of it or not. And then the yellow is definitely from the blooms. Yellow often disappears because it's a transparent, and I think I should have put an opaque here, but anyway, as I said, I'm just playing around. Now I'm using the back of my cake icing knife, and I'm putting on my cell activator, and it's both of these I know are Amsterdam, I've written on the top. And I'm just squiggling it on all over. Usually the first colour you put down is the one that becomes prominent, obviously enough, because it'll be up the top when you turn your knife upside down. Taking off the excess. And then I need to move everything out of the way because I'm a klutz. And I'll work out which way I want to sort of swipe across this. And I decide to go to the left, my left, so that I can get rid of those squiggly bits where I've dribbled, because as I said, I'm a klutz and I'm messy. So here we go. And I'm rusty with this as well, and as you can see, I've missed quite a little bit in the center, but that actually becomes my dragon eye in the end. So shortly I'm going to speed this up, because all as I'm doing is I'm tilting off bits that I don't like and getting rid of the excess paint, and trying to keep the bits that I do like, and when I'm happy I'll spin out the rest of it. So I might just put on a little bit of music for you. I've got as much paint off as I could, and it's starting to go a bit flocky where it's darker with the black. So I just twist in this white bit in the center, and that's the bit that I eventually make into my dragon's eye once it's dry. So this is up close while it's still wet. And when it was dry, I just referenced some images off the internet of a dragon's eye and hand painted it in with acrylic paint. So thanks for watching, everyone. Please consider liking and subscribing, and I hope you all have a wonderful day.